I did it in the beginning of my career, others have done it, and you may be doing it as well. But here's the truth, your portfolio isn't for other creatives. It's to attract and capture your future clients. And in this video, I will show you how to turn your portfolio into a client magnet. Welcome to Open Studio Podcast, space for lettering artists, illustrators, and creatives who are determined to thrive in their passion. I'm Martina Flor, and I've been through the ups and downs of building a successful creative business. From struggling to make ends meet to achieving my dream of becoming an award-winning lettering designer, I've learned valuable lessons along the way. Now, I'm here to share those lessons, strategies, and tips so that your journey can be smoother. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into a career or want insights to boost your creative business, this podcast is your guide. Join me on the Open Studio Podcast and let's make your creative dreams a reality. 5 portfolio mistakes that are costing you clients and how to fix them. Hi, I'm Martina Flor, a lettering artist, author, and educator. Over the past decade, I've helped thousands of creatives master the art of hand lettering and turn their passion into a thriving creative business. And in today's video, I'm sharing 5 big portfolio mistakes that might be costing you potential clients, and more importantly, how to fix them. If you're a designer, lettering artist, or illustrator trying to build a thriving career, your portfolio is your #1 client acquisition tool. And if it's not working for you, this video will show you exactly what to change. Let's face it, most portfolios are made to impress other designers and graphic artists. I did it in the beginning of my career, others have done it, and you may be doing it as well. But here's the truth, your portfolio isn't for other creatives. It's to attract and capture your future clients. And in this video, I will show you how to turn your portfolio into a client magnet. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, building your portfolio for other creatives instead of clients. What do I mean by that? Well, it is when your portfolio looks beautiful, but it doesn't actually say anything or capture any leads. Your projects are presented with no context, no mock-ups, no explanation of the project or the problem you are solving, just pretty pictures. And me as a creative, I love navigating through these websites because I love seeing beautiful work, but I'm probably not the person who will hire you. So here's what you need instead. Every project should clearly communicate who you are, what you do, and who you do it for. If someone lands on your portfolio, they should instantly know if you're the right fit for the project. Mistake number 2, skipping your bio and photo. People don't just hire skills, they hire people. Especially nowadays, in a world inhabited by AI, people need to know that they will be working with a human. Your bio should share your story, your values, and the kind of clients you love working with. And your photo, it helps build trust. It's your chance to show who you are and make that first connection. It's your chance to show who you are and make that first connection. And by the way, I speak about this in page 22 and 23 of my Lettering Success Secrets Guide. You can have it for free on martinaflor.com/guide, or just click in the link in the description below to download it. Mistake number 3, showing too much process. As a creative, I love seeing early sketches and early drafts and the process as much as the next artist. But let's be honest, your client doesn't really care. Most of the times, a client is not hiring you for the process you follow to get to a certain result. They are hiring you for the final result. So unless it helps clarify the outcome, keep your process minimal, or keep it to yourself, or keep it for a special section in your website where you speak about the process that you follow to create your work. But when it comes to the project showcase, instead focus on showing the polished, effective solution that you have created for a certain project. Mistake number 4, not including your contact information clearly. This happens all the time. Someone lands on your portfolio, loves your work, wants to reach out, and then they can find your email, or they have to search throughout your website to find your contact information. If they can contact you, they won't hire you. So make your contact details super obvious. Include them in your site menu, in the footer, and also in the About page. And add a clear call to action like, let's work together or contact me. Mistake number 5, not capturing client emails. Even if someone isn't ready to hire you right now, they might want to in the future. But if you don't give them a way to stay in touch, they will forget about you. So what you can do instead is to add a newsletter sign-up form to your website. You want to offer something helpful in exchange, like a downloadable style guide or a PDF about your process, or anything that is valuable for your clients so that they provide you with their contact information in exchange. This helps you keep potential clients in your orbit and allows you to contact them and follow up with them in the future. Remember, your portfolio should work for you, not against you. So take a few minutes today to look at your portfolio with fresh eyes. Is it client-friendly? Is it easy to navigate? Does it make it clear how to work with you? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.